Hello, everyone, and welcome to Brush and Crush, where we meet to brush different concepts so that you can crush in your exams. Today, we are going to have a brief understanding about system unit and also the key components inside the system unit. So, let's get started. So, what is a system unit? Unit is a box-like case that stands near the monitor. At times, it is below the monitor in a separate unit or it stands besides it. You can relate it to your school computers or your lab computers, which is not more like your laptops. System unit is the most important part of the computer because it protects internal electronic components from damage. Very important. It protects internal electronic components from damage. The electronic components and most of the storage devices of the computer resides inside the system unit. So it's like a case and everything is inside the system unit. Whereas devices like keyboard, mouse, monitor, printer, the speakers occupy the space outside the system unit. So I think you understand the difference between what are the components inside the system unit and what are the components that are outside. Now, main components inside the system unit. Very importantly, and the primary component is the motherboard. Motherboard is also known as the main board or the system board. It is like a large circuit board inside the system unit, and it holds many electronic components such as CPU and main memory. All right, CPU. CPU is just like your brain, which controls each part of the body. CPU controls or is the brain of the computer that processes all the instructions. Okay, memory. We all have memory so that we can remember things. Similar to that, computer also has a memory which remember many things by storing data inside it. And how does it store data? Memory of the computer stores in bits and bytes. Just one important point we'll touch upon is that computers' memory usually consists of one or more RAM and ROM, which we'll study in the next chapter. Power supply or SMPS. SMPS is a power supply unit, which is also called as the switch mode power supply in a computer that is used to transfer power to the computer. It converts electricity into the power the computer needs. There's a fan fitted that keeps the supply cool. So you may be hearing, if your computer is turned on for a long time, you will hear the fan working really hard. Adapter card are basically extension cards that give new features to your computer, like better sound, better graphics. And then we also have ports. These are special slots outside the system unit so that you can connect mouse, keyboard, speakers, monitors, etc. Stay tuned for the next video and don't forget to subscribe.